Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. From the Educators Online Sport, I am your maths teacher with lesson number 4, unit number 9. Today we are going to start unit number 9, linear equations. Material required for this lecture: lead pencil, eraser, highlighter, class 6 mathematics book, notebook, blue marker, blue pen, and a ruler. Let's have a look at the objectives of this lesson. After taking this lesson, you will be able to know about linear algebraic equations, to write an equation for the given statements, to solve an algebraic equation. Dear students, now open page number 133, write day, date and today's task, and highlight the following points, and also highlight the definition of algebraic equations. Now we will discuss all these highlighted points and definition of algebraic equation in detail. What is an algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase that contains variables such as a, b, c and so on, ordinary numbers such as 1, 2, 3 and so on, and mathematical operators such as plus, minus, multiplication and division. In simple words, we can say that any numeral variables or combination of numerals and variables connected by one or more signs of fundamental operations such as plus, minus, multiplication or division is known as an algebraic expression. Algebraic equations. An algebraic equation is a statement that expresses a relationship of equality between two or more expressions. This definition is given on page number 133. Page number 134. Highlight the following line. Algebra is a generalization of arithmetic. Open page number 135. Write date and today's task and highlight its important point, that is, in an equation the two expressions on both sides of is equal to are always equal. जब भी हम लोग एक इक्वेशन लिखते हैं तो इक्वल साइन दोनों साइड्स हमारे पास क्या होंगी, इक्वल होंगी. Dear student, please open page number 136 and highlight the following lines. x plus 2 is equal to 5. This is called the linear algebraic equation, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो वेरिएबल है उसकी पावर हमारे पास 1 है, and this is called the linear algebraic equation. Open page number 137 and highlight the important note and remember. Important note is to maintain the equilibrium add, take away, multiply or divide, and remember that which is we highlighted on page number 137, a linear equation has one variable such as x, y or z or a, b or c raised to the power of 1. लीनियर इक्वेशन में हमारे पास वेरिएबल्स क्या होंगे, x, y और z. सिर्फ एक ही वेरिएबल होगा और उसकी पावर भी हमारे पास क्या होगी, 1 होगी. Number 2, there may be several steps involved in solving a linear equation, and last one is at every step the two sides must be balanced. जब भी हम उनको solve करेंगे हर step पे दोनों sides में balance होगा. Page number 138, we will highlight these lines. Now we will discuss these lines in detail. Linear equation are also known as first degree equations. Linear equation को हम first degree equation भी कहते हैं. First degree equations involving only one variable are called simple equation. फर्स्ट डिग्री इक्वेशन का क्या मतलब है, जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही वेरिएबल इन्वॉल्व हो उसको हम फर्स्ट डिग्री इक्वेशन या लीनियर इक्वेशन कहते हैं. नाउ वी विल सॉल्व एक्सरसाइज नंबर 9. Dear students, open page number 142 from book for exercise number 9 and open your notebooks. Before starting the notebook work, first of all we will write the index. Index number 5, write date, and unit number 5 we will solve question number 1 till 2. Index number 6, unit number 9 we will solve worksheet. After writing the index of unit number 9, we will make its title page. In title page we will write unit number 9, unit name linear equations, then we will write its definitions, question answers and worksheet. Now please ready the page of your notebook, write day, date, today's classwork, topic chapter number 9, linear equations, exercise number 9, question number 1, write an equation for each of the following statement. In this question, statements are given. We will write equation. We will write these statements in algebraic form, in equation form. Number 1, a number increased by 5 is 12. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को इंक्रीज करें तो वो किसके इक्वल हो, 12 के इक्वल. आ नंबर मिसिंग है, ये हमारे पास वेरिएबल है. वी विल राइट इट x प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 12. जो नंबर आपके पास मिसिंग है उसको आप वेरिएबल फॉर्म में लिखेंगे, लाइक x y z. आप जो भी वेरिएबल लेना चाहें वो आप लोग लिख सकते हैं. इंक्रीज्ड मीन प्लस, 5 इज गिवन इज इक्वल टू 12. Number 2, twice a number decreased by 3 is 15. Twice a number, what is the meaning of twice a number? एक नंबर दो दफा decreased, कम हो रहा है by 3 से is 15. किसके इक्वल है वो, 15 के. Twice a number, again a number, जहां पे भी word a number यूज होगा वहां पे हम लोग वेरिएबल लेंगे. That is 2x. Decreased mean minus sign, 3 is equal to 15. Number 3, 6 less than 4 times a number is 30. 6 हमारे पास किससे छोटा है, 4 टाइम्स किसी भी नंबर से, और वो किसके इक्वल है, 30 से. 6 4x minus 6 is equal to 30. Number 4, 1/5 of a number added to 6 is 10. Answer is x over 5 plus 6 is equal to 10. Number 5, 2/3 of a number 2 over 3, कोई भी वेरिएबल है, सब्ट्रैक्टेड साइन फ्रॉम 8. किससे सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा है, 8 में से, और किसके इक्वल आ रहा है, 4 के. आंसर इज 8 minus 2 over 3x is equal to 4. Number 6, the quotient of a number when divided by 3 and added to 4 result in 7. क्वोशंट x over 3, कोई भी नंबर है जब वो क्वोशंट जो आंसर आ रहा है डिवाइड होने के बाद, दैट इज अ वेरिएबल x. किससे डिवाइड हो रहा है, डिवाइडेड बाय 3, ऐड हो रहा है 4 के साथ. रिजल्ट हमारे पास क्या आ रहा है, 7. सो आंसर इज x प्लस 3 प्लस 4 इज इक्वल टू 7. द सम ऑफ 2 कंसेक्यूटिव ऑड नंबर इज 12. हमारे पास यहाँ पे 2 कंसेक्यूटिव ऑड नंबर्स, हमारे पास अगेन नंबर वर्ड इज मिसिंग. सो नंबर की जगह हम वेरिएबल राइट करेंगे x प्लस इंटू x प्लस 2, क्योंकि 2 नंबर्स है, x प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 12. नंबर 8, इन 12 years अमीन विल बी 4 times as old as he is now. आंसर इज x प्लस 12 इज इक्वल टू 4x. एक्सरसाइज नंबर 9, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशंस. अब हम इन इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे. नंबर 1, x प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 7. अब हमने x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. वन डिजिट आंसर या वन वर्ड आंसर हम लोगों ने देना है. x इज इक्वल टू 7 प्लस 2. जब हमारे पास दूसरी साइड पे मूव करेगा तो उसका साइन चेंज होगा, प्लस चेंज इनटू माइनस. और अगर यहाँ पे -2 होता तो दूसरी साइड पे जैसे ही इसने मूव करना था वो प्लस में चेंज होना था. नाउ देयर इज साइन ऑफ प्लस, सो प्लस चेंज इनटू माइनस. x is equal to 7 minus 2. Answer is 5. 7 minus 2. Answer is 5. Number 2, 3x minus 1 is equal to 23. Again, we will move the digit -1 from left hand side to right hand side. So 3x is equal to 23 minus change into plus 3x is equal to 23 plus 1. आंसर इज 24. अब हमें सिर्फ x की वैल्यू चाहिए, लेकिन यहाँ पर हमारे पास x के साथ क्या है, 3. सो वी विल डिवाइड बोथ साइड्स विद 3, क्योंकि हमें सिर्फ x की वैल्यू चाहिए. सो x इज इक्वल टू 24 डिवाइडेड बाय 3. आंसर इज 8. Question number 2, part 3 is 5x plus 7 is equal to 2 into x plus 2. First of all, we will solve round bracket. 5x plus 7 comes down as it is. First of all, 2 multiply by x, answer is 2x. Then 2 multiply by 2, answer is 4. यहाँ पे हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई क्यों कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि ब्रैकेट और 2 के दरमियान कोई साइन नहीं है। इसका मतलब ये है कि 2 हमारे पास इन दोनों के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है। सो 5x प्लस 7 इज इक्वल टू 2x प्लस 4। अब हम वेरिएबल्स को एक साइड पे करेंगे और कांस्टेंट हमारे पास एक साइड पर आएंगे। 5x माइनस 2x। अब यहाँ पे माइनस 2x क्यों हुआ है, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने जब राइट हैंड साइड से 2x को मूव किया है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे, सो प्लस साइन चेंज इनटू माइनस एंड प्लस 7 चेंज इनटू -7। 5x minus 2x and 4 minus 7. 5x minus 2x answer is 3x and 4 minus 7 answer is -3 because 4 is a positive number and 7 is a negative number. -7 plus 4. Unlike sign -7 में से हम लोग +4 को माइनस करेंगे तो हमारे पास आंसर क्या आएगा -3. नाउ वी विल डिवाइड बोथ साइड विथ 3. अब हमने दोनों साइड्स को 3 के साथ डिवाइड करना है क्योंकि हमें सिर्फ वेरिएबल x की वैल्यू चाहिए. सो 3 कैंसिल बाय 3, x इज इक्वल टू 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 आंसर इज -1. नंबर 4 5x minus 1 is equal to 44. Same question as question number 1. 5x is equal to 44 minus 1 changed into +1. So 5x is equal to 45. We will divide 5x with 5 and 45 also with 5. 5x divided by 5 is equal to 45 divided by 5. Answer is x is equal to 9. क्योंकि 5 को जब हम 5 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे हमारे पास आंसर 1 आएगा तो x हमारे पास अकेला नीचे आएगा. And 45 divided by 5 answer is 9. Question number 2 part 5. 13t minus 14 is equal to 3t plus 16. 13t minus 3t is equal to 16 plus 14. वेरिएबल्स को हम एक साइड पे ले रहे हैं और कांस्टेंट को एक साइड पे. 13t minus 3t answer is 10t is equal to 16 plus 14 answer is 30. Now we will divide both sides with 10. 10t divided by 10 and 30 divided by 10. Answer is 3. t is equal to 3. Number 6, 3 into t minus 1 minus 2 into 2t plus 3 is equal to 5 into t plus 3. First of all, we will solve all round brackets. 3 multiplied by t minus 1. 3 multiplied by t. 3t. 3 multiplied by -1. Answer is -3. So answer of first bracket is 3t minus 3. Minus 2 multiplied by 2t plus 3. Minus 2 multiplied by 2t. Answer is -4t. Minus 2 multiplied by plus 3. Minus 6 is equal to 5 multiplied by t. Answer is 5t. 5 3s are 15. 3t minus 4t minus 5t. t वाली जितनी भी वैल्यूज है हमने उनको एक साइड पे किया और नंबर्स को एक साइड पर. 3t minus 4t. आंसर इज -t and -5t comes down as it is. 15 plus 9. 6 और 3 को जब हमने सॉल्व किया तो आंसर हमारे पास क्या आया 9. minus 6t is equal to 24. Now we will divide both sides with -6. -60 over -6 is equal to -24 over 6. Answer is -4. So t is equal to -4. Question number 2 part 7. 14 multiplied by 2t minus 3 minus 2 into t plus 2 is equal to 10 into 3t minus 4. 14 multiplied by 2t answer is 28t minus 14 multiplied by 3 answer is 42. Minus 2 multiplied by t answer is -2t. Minus 2 multiplied by plus 2 answer is -4. Plus 10 multiplied by 3t answer is 30t. 10 multiplied by -4 answer is 40. 28t minus 2t minus 4 and minus 42 हमने इनको अरेंज कर लिया and 30t minus 40 comes down as it is. 28t minus 2t answer is 26t. minus 4 and minus 42 both are having like signs तो दोनों ऐड होंगे लेकिन साइन मेरे पास क्या आएगा माइनस का. So minus 4 minus 42, answer is minus 46 is equal to 30t minus 40. 26t minus 30t, 30t को जब हम लोग राइट हैंड साइड से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर लेके आए हैं, प्लस साइन चेंज इनटू माइनस, एंड माइनस 46 साइन चेंज इनटू प्लस 46. So minus 40 and plus 46. Minus 26 minus 30, answer is minus 40. Minus 40 plus 46, answer is 6. Now we will divide both sides with minus 4. t is equal to minus 3 over 2, क्योंकि दोनों इवन नंबर है और दोनों किसके साथ डिवाइड हो रहे हैं, 2 के साथ. 3 divided by 2, answer is 3, and 4 divided by 2, answer is 2. So t is equal to minus 3 over 2. Question number 2, part 8 is 3x over 4 minus 5 is equal to 2x. First of all, we will take LCM of left hand side. 3x divided by 4 minus 5. LCM is 4. 3x comes down as it is. और ये minus 20 हमारे पास कैसे आया? Minus 5 multiplied by 4, answer is minus 20 is equal to 2x. Now we will multiply 4 with both sides. 4 multiplied by 3x minus 20 over 4 is equal to 2x multiplied by 4. तो हमारे पास 4 कैंसिल हो जाएगा 4 के साथ. Answer is 3x minus 20 is equal to 2x multiplied by 4. Answer is 8x. Now 3x minus 8x is equal to 20. 8x plus 8x change into minus 8x, and minus 20 change into plus 20. 3x minus 8x, answer is minus 5x is equal to 20. Now we will divide both sides with minus 5. Minus 5x divided by minus 5 and minus 20 divided by minus 5. Answer x is equal to minus 4. Dear students, now we will solve worksheet which is given in your winter pack. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Number 1, a linear equation has dash variable. Only one variable. X plus 2 is equal to 5 is dash algebraic equation. Answer is linear algebraic equation. Number 3, an algebraic is a dash phrase, mathematical phrase. Number 4, A, B, C and X, Y, Z are written in dash order, alphabetical order. Number 5, linear equations are known as dash first degree equations. And number 6, at every step in linear equation, the two sides must balance. Now question number 2 and question number 3 which is on worksheet. Dear student, you will solve these questions by yourself. This is your home task. Dear students, here are some tasks to do for you. Number 1, solve question number 2 and 3 on worksheet of unit number 9 which is given in your winter pack. And number 2, do practice of unit number 9, question number 1 and 2 on rough registers.
So I hope that each and every point of this lesson is now clear and this lesson was helpful for you. So now here are some tasks for you which you need to do. So the first thing that you need to do is make the title page of unit number 1. Make the content page following these points. Firstly, you have to write down the topic, vocabulary, question answers and worksheet. The second thing that you need to do is draw tools used in Neolithic age on your notebooks. You can also paste the pictures of these tools as well. So I hope that you will complete these tasks very efficiently.
I hope today's lecture was helpful for you. Allah Hafiz till next lecture.